Hello everyone, Agnieszka here from Publitas Customer Success Team. In this video, we'll talk about adding and connecting a product feed to Publitas using Channable. Enter your Channable account and navigate to Channels. Search for Publitas. Click on the right channel and click Save. Proceed to next setup steps. We go to section number 4 called Mapping. This is the section where you can ensure your product feed columns are mapped as required by Publitas. Make the necessary adjustments and click Save. Then go to section number 6, Preview and Export. Click the Activate Feed button to receive a URL to your feed. Now that the feed is activated, let's copy its URL and use it in Publitas. We go to our Publitas account and navigate to Product Feed section, where we paste the URL and click Save and Import button. We can see our product information has been uploaded successfully. That's all for this video. You will find relevant knowledge-based articles in the description. Thank you for watching, happy publishing, and see you in the next one.